right, let's try the same question about Miss Kortje's lesson, but we're going to use the T-chart instead to solve this question. So if you're making a T-chart, you need a vertical line and a horizontal line at the top. So it looks like a T. When you're using the T-chart for elapsed time, over here, you're going to put the start time, and don't forget to include your AM or PM. And over here, you're going to put on the right side the end time, which is 3:02 p.m. This column over here shows the times on the left side. Over on the right side, though, it's not the times, it's actually the increments of time, or the elapsed time. So how much time passes in increments, in little moments, as we're counting up from the start time to the end time. So when we did the number line, I went from 2:10 to 3 p.m., which is always a good choice to try and get to the closest hour. But this time, just for fun, I'm going to go to 2:30, so to the closest half hour, which also makes things easy too. So the next half hour after 2 is going to be 2:30. So I'm going to go ahead and write my first new time on this side. On the right side, I need to think about how much time passed between 2:10 and 2:30. So how much time has to pass to get from 10 to 30? And I know that was, and over here we're going to write how many minutes that is that passed between 2:10 and 2:30. So to get from 10 to 30, we do 30 take away 10, or we count up from 10 all the way to 30. And I know that's 20 minutes. And in my last video for this on the number line, I made a mistake and I wrote M instead of mins. And we know that M means meters, so that would make my question wrong. So this time I'm going to be careful to write mins instead of M. So let's go from 2:30 to 3 o'clock. So our new time that we're going to be writing is 3 o'clock, and we're going to remember our PM, and over here I forgot it, so we're going to put PM. And to get from 2:30 to 3 p.m., we had 30 minutes pass, a half hour. And finally, we have to get to our end time, which is 3:02. So I'm going to write that 3:02 because we're close enough. We're at the closest hour, 3, and we just need to add how many minutes to get from 3 o'clock to 3:02. I hope you said 2 minutes. And the best way to do this on the right column is by lining up your ones columns and tens columns nicely so that you can automatically just do your addition here, because what you need to do is you need to add up all these increments to get the total of how much time passed. So 0, I'll put my plus sign over here actually. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. And we put our unit of measurement, which is time and minutes, here. And of course, because this is a word question, we write our sentence answer. So, Miss Kortje's lesson was 52 minutes long, period. And that is how you solve elapsed time questions using a T-chart.